Quality chicken. There you have it. Hydrate. Get some water, coconut juice, orange juice, sour sap, guava juice in you, apple juice. But not things. This one was not placed in the right location or spot. We have our first guest, our first customer. I was waiting for less traffic. I'm gonna go over there and tighten up. Easy Japanese. This is 4 weeks of building. Hello. 4 weeks of building. And those had to be cut and made on site. Prefab right here on site. It's more like a private shuttle, I think they told me. Documenting the progress made. And this was done yesterday, all that was done yesterday. Look at that. Gorgeous view. I got 2 more made up. This right here is based on spiral stairs, and stairs where you have to make a sharp turn. Creating a little workspace back here. It's a huge ants mound down there. Getting ready to punch a hole right up here. And then do the same over here. There you go. Attaboy. Even though it looked like that, the ratcheting still works. Amazing. One down, one more to go. before I put the holes, I gotta check and figure out if there's gonna be a screw head or a screw in the way, and then find a good spot to locate the hole. I'm examining and looking at possibly putting one right here, screwing one from this post into the stringer. Put in or installed here. And it's for the section of the stairs. I bind the wrench against the nut to try to stop the rebar from spinning and get it to tighten. And it's working. I can see the angle. Turn on some light. It's biting too. It's starting to bite without having to have someone go on the outside and hold it with a wrench. And it worked. Another one bites the dust. These two I missed yesterday, so I'm gonna get on it and make sure I install them up there. These blocks aren't set up or installed to receive the end of the sheet 4x4s. They're installed to help strengthen the flooring joints, but they were requested to be installed at the end of every floor, at the 4 feet end of every sheet.
American people win all of it.
All right. From a different perspective, different vantage point. Tons of young baby coconuts. Those are the baby ones over there, and these are a little bit more mature babies. All right, I'm gonna run one and put one right here as well, right there. Hole complete. There we go. About to add the nut. Task completed. That's the way to enjoy the day right there. Doesn't get any better than that. Hype us up. We work for like, shares, and comments. Remember to subscribe. Check out the about section. There are other things available to the general public that you can partake in. There's also membership available. Sign up. Hello there.